This is our future.
Forests without voices. Oceans without echoes. And skies that no longer sings.
This was nature. Full of life. Vibrant.
Filled with sound.
Every sound had a purpose.
Every voice
mattered.
Then we changed it. Noise began to rise. Machine grew louder. Even the skies were no longer quiet. Stronger, unstoppable, loud, chaotic, unbearable, and nature could not escape it.
Noise pollution changing animal behavior and ecosystems. Imagine living in a world where silence no longer exists, a world filled constantly with the noise of traffic, construction, machines, and human activity. Now imagine trying to survive in that world without being able to hear danger, communicate with your group, or find food. For humans, noise pollution is an inconvenience. But for animals, it is a serious threat to survival. Today, we explore how noise pollution is changing animal behavior and disrupting entire ecosystems. 2. What is noise pollution? Noise pollution refers to unwanted or harmful sounds that disturb the natural environment. It is mainly caused by human activities such as road traffic, industrial operations, construction work, aircraft, and ships in oceans. Unlike other forms of pollution, noise is invisible. However, its impact is powerful and often ignored. Animals depend heavily on sound for survival. When this natural sound environment is disturbed, their ability to live normally is affected. 3. Effects on animals. Birds use sound to communicate, attract mates, and warn others of danger. In noisy urban areas, their natural songs are often drowned out by traffic and human activity. As a result, birds are forced to sing louder or at higher pitches. Some even change the timing of their songs. This affects their ability to reproduce and survive, leading to a decline in bird populations. Marine life. In oceans, noise pollution comes mainly from ships, sonar systems, and underwater drilling. Marine animals like whales and dolphins rely on sound to navigate, communicate, and locate food. When human-made noise interferes, it disrupts their communication. They may become confused, stressed, or even lose their way. In extreme cases, this can lead to mass strandings and death. Land animals. On land, animals such as elephants, deer, and predators depend on sound to detect threats and communicate. Noise pollution reduces their ability to hear approaching danger. This increases their vulnerability to predators and affects their survival. Some animals may even abandon their natural habitats due to constant noise. 4. Ecosystem impact. When animal behavior changes, the effects are not limited to individual species. Entire ecosystems are affected. For example, if birds fail to reproduce, insect populations may increase. If predators cannot hunt effectively, prey populations may grow uncontrollably. These imbalances disrupt food chains and reduce biodiversity. Over time, the stability of ecosystems is weakened. 5. Solutions. To reduce the harmful effects of noise pollution, several measures can be taken. Governments can implement stricter regulations to control industrial and traffic noise. Wildlife protection areas can be designated as quiet zones where human noise is limited. Technological advancements can help create quieter machines and transportation systems. Individuals can also contribute by reducing unnecessary noise and spreading awareness. Even small actions can have a significant impact on protecting wildlife. 6. Conclusion. Noise pollution may not be visible, but its impact on the natural world is undeniable. It changes how animals communicate, behave, and survive. If left unchecked, it can disrupt ecosystems and threaten biodiversity. By becoming more aware and taking action, we can create a quieter and safer environment, not just for ourselves, but for all living beings that share this planet.